Marvel Rivals GPU Crash Random Freeze 10 Fixes. Stasher 1. Update GPU driver. Install the latest stable NVIDIA or AMD graphics driver. Restart your PC after installation and test Marvel Rivals again. Stark 2. Verify game files. Steam, Library, right-click Marvel Rivals Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Wait until the verification finishes completely. Start 3. Clear Shader Cache, open Windows Settings, System, Storage, Temporary Files. Remove DirectX Shader Cache, then restart your PC. Heber 4. Disable Overlays. Temporarily disable Steam Overlay, Discord Overlay, NVIDIA AMD Overlay, Xbox Game Bar, and other recording overlays. Launch Marvel Rivals again and test for freezes. Heber 5. Disable GPU Overclocking. Return your GPU to its default settings. If you're using an overclock or undervolt, temporarily disable it while troubleshooting. Mer 6. Lower graphics settings. Reduce demanding options such as textures, shadows, effects, view distance, ray tracing. Also set a reasonable FPS limit instead of unlimited FPS. Char 7. Change upscaling settings. If you're using DLSS, FSR, ZSS, or another upscaling option, temporarily switch to a different mode or disable it. Restart the game and test whether the GPU crash continues. Rate. Close background applications. Close browsers, recording software, RGB utilities, hardware monitoring programs, and other GPU-intensive applications. Then launch Marvel Rivals with minimal background software running. Hasher 9. Repair Windows system files. Open command prompt as administrator. Run sfc scanow. After the scan reaches 100%, restart Windows and test the game again. 10. Limit FPS and check temperatures. Set an FPS cap in Marvel Rivals or through your GPU software. Monitor GPU temperatures during gameplay and make sure the system isn't overheating. If crashes continue across multiple games, check the GPU hardware and power connections professionally.